In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs in Asana. Whether you're managing a complex project or just trying to keep track of your day-to-day tasks, Asana provides an array of tabbed views to help you visualize your project in different ways. Each of these views offers unique perspectives and tools to enhance how you interact with your work, allowing for a more hands-on approach to project management. First up is the list view. Imagine a table format where your tasks are neatly arranged by groups. This setup allows for straightforward editing, making it incredibly easy to track and organize your assignments. Within this view, you have the flexibility to add or delete groups as you see fit, move tasks from one group to another, and even add columns to your table for additional details. It's a great way to have a comprehensive overview of all tasks while maintaining full control over the content. Next is the board view, which is perfect for those who prefer a more visual approach. Here, your groups transform into a series of cards. This layout creates a dynamic and interactive experience where tasks can be effortlessly dragged and dropped between groups, much like moving items on a real-world board. This view is particularly useful for workflows and processes where visual movement is key to understanding progress. Moving on, we have the timeline and calendar views. Both serve to present your tasks in a chronological format, but with slightly different focuses. The timeline view provides a linear, Gantt chart-like display that helps you see the bigger picture of your project over time. It's useful for planning out timelines and dependencies between tasks. Meanwhile, the calendar view simplifies this into a more traditional month or week view, providing a clear schedule for your tasks. This is particularly beneficial if you're looking to manage deadlines and appointments in a more conventional format. Then there's the dashboard view, which acts as a reporting hub for your project. Here, you can gain insights through various widgets and charts that track your project's progress and performance. It's a powerful space for analyzing the efficacy and productivity of your team's efforts, providing crucial feedback at a glance. Asana also offers additional views, including workflow, messages, and files, each serving their own unique purpose. If you're seeking even more options, simply click the plus icon on the View tabs to explore and add more views as needed. This flexibility is what makes Asana such a versatile tool for project management. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to use tabs in Asana to their full potential. Each view offers distinct advantages, allowing you to tailor your workspace according to your project's needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!